Princess Charlotte has a surprisingly sophisticated palate for a 6-year-old. While most infant school pupils are most content chowing down on cheese sandwiches and various potato-based items, the royal is made of more refined stuff. Kate Middleton has admitted that her middle child loves to eat olives, Bristol Post reported. On the same trip, the Duchess of Cambridge said that her children love to make salads and stuff, as well as their signature dish, cheesy pasta. In making the snack-focused admission, Kate revealed a parallel between the young royal and herself, as Kate previously shared her love of olives in 2018. It transpires that 3-year-old Prince Louis, who has a remarkably sophisticated taste for beetroot, a root vegetable typically deplored by youngsters. While filming with Mary Berry for a TV Christmas special last year, the Duchess divulged, "We've got carrots, beans, beetroot. A massive favorite. Louis absolutely loves beetroot." Meanwhile, Prince George, the eldest child, is rumored to love spaghetti carbonara. Kate often speaks of her love of home cooking, including making pizzas with her children, which they reportedly can't get enough of. Pasta and roast chicken are staples in the Cambridge household. While the Duke and Duchess have spoken about their love of smoothies and steak while on royal duty. The Cambridges don't have much of a sweet tooth, according to Marie Claire, but love Italian food like pasta and pizza.